Hello everyone. Let's start lying down on our backs today. Just like in Shavasana. Feet separated, mat width apart. Hands by the side of the body, palms facing up. Dropping the feet out, curling the fingers in naturally. Let's take a deep breath in. And as you're exhaling, closing the eyes. Mindfully relaxing shoulders, lower back, thighs. And next few inhales and exhales, making them as long and slow as possible. So as you're inhaling, let the belly and the chest expand very slowly. Once you fill your chest up, exhale, chest and belly contracts very slowly. Keep relaxing your shoulders. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale out. Eyes open. Let's join our feet together. Bend both knees, hugging both knees close to the chest. So let's wrap our hands around our knees. Shoulders down, pointing the toes up. Inhale here, exhale, pointing the feet towards you, flexing the ankle. Keep pressing the knees close to the chest. Inhale, pointing the toes up. Exhale, pointing toes towards the face. 3 more times. Inhale, point toes up. Press the lower back down. Exhale, toes in. Mindfully press the thighs down. Inhale, toes out. Exhale, toes in. One last time to hold. Inhale, pointing the toes up. Keep pressing the lower back down as you are pointing the toes up. We'll stay here for 5. Normal breaths in and out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Mindfully pointing the toes towards the face, flexing the feet. Let's press the lower back down and this time mindfully bringing the thighs close to the upper body for the next few breaths. We'll stay here for 5. Exhale, thighs come close to the chest. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing both feet down, keeping the knees bent. To ensure that the lower back is flat, let's point the right toes up, stretching the right leg up. So stretching the right leg up towards the ceiling. Entire lower back flat, hands by the side of the body. Keep pointing the right toes out and take your time to straighten the right knee out. We'll stay here for 5. If the knee is straight, next few exhales, try to bring the right thigh close to the body. 4. Keep stretching the leg out. 3, 2, and 1. Let's bend right knee, right foot down. Adjust your lower back. Next inhale, left leg, stretch it out towards the ceiling. Toes pointed out. And once the knee has straightened, take your time. So we're going to press the lower back down. With the next few exhales, trying to bring the left thigh close to the belly. Stay here for 5. Start deepening your exhales. 4. Left thigh to tummy. Lower back down. 3. Stretch the leg out. 2. And 1. Releasing the left foot down. Both knees bent, feet on mat. Let's bring the right ankle on top of left knee. So we'll keep the right foot slightly active, so the toes are pointing in. Let's grab hold of the left thigh with both our hands, interlacing fingers. Relax your shoulders down. Let's point the left toes also towards the face. Next few breaths out to bring the thighs close to the upper body. We're going to use the right elbow to keep the right knee in place. We'll stay here for 5. So left thigh keeps coming close to the upper body. right thigh moving away from the body. 4, 3, 2, and 1, releasing. We move on to the other side, bringing the left ankle on top of right knee, keeping the left foot flexed, so toes are pointing in. Let's hold on to the right thigh with both our hands, interlacing fingers, and keeping the right foot pointing towards us. So the right foot is also flexed. Now 5 exhales to bring the right thigh close to the tummy, and at the same time moving the left thigh or the left knee away from the body. Shoulders down, lower back down. Long breaths out. 5, 4, squeeze the belly in with your exhales. 3, 2, mindfully keep pressing the lower back down. And 1, exhale out fully, both feet down, palms on belly, eyes closed for a few seconds. Bringing both knees close to chest. Let's hold on to our knees, crossing the ankle. We're going to rock forward and back. So cross ankles, exhale, rock forward. Let the big toes touch the mat. Inhale, rock back. Let the hip lift up. Exhale, forward. Big toes down. Inhale, lifting the hip up, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, rock back. Releasing your hands. Let's come up to a squat. Exhale, forward, coming up to a squat. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, forward, hands reaching forward, squat. Inhale, back. Let's do it 3 more times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. This time coming up to standing. Exhale. Coming up to standing. Let's bring the hands on hip. Feet together, eyes closed for a few seconds. Taking this time to watch our breath. Preparing for 3 rounds of Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar. Let's step to the front of the mat. Feet together, hands by the side of the body. Draw the belly in. Lift chest up, shoulders down, fingers reaching down. Exhale out fully in Samasthiti. Inhale, stretch arms to the sides, lifting all the way up. Joint palms looking up. Exhale, knees softly bent, straight spine, forehead down, fold forward. Fingertips down, inhale, chest and head up, lengthen spine. Feel free to bend the knees here to flatten out the back. Exhale, stepping back to plank and coming halfway down to Chaturanga or lie down flat. Strong legs, pointing the toes up. Inhale, straight elbows, lift chest up, upward facing dog. Knees are off the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. Staying in down dog for the next 5 deep breaths out. Feet separated hip width apart. Let's bend the knees softly to stretch the lower back. So bring the belly close to the thighs as much as possible. Then slowly try to press the heels down as you're trying to lift the hip up. 5 deep breaths out here. 5. Choice to gaze at your navel. 4. 3. Every exhale, draw the belly in nicely. 2. Tighten both thighs. And 1. Exhale out fully. Let's look forward. Bend both knees. Inhale, stepping both your feet forward. Chest up, Ardha Uttana. Exhale, forehead down, fold forward. Inhale, coming up. Stretch arms to the sides. Joint palms look up. Urdhva Hasta. Exhale, hands by the side. Samasthiti. Second round. Inhale, stretch arms looking up. Urdhva Hasta. Exhale, fold forward. Uttanasana, forehead down. Inhale, chest and head up. Ardha Uttana. Exhale, stepping back. Chaturanga or lie down flat. Elbows hugging the chest. Pointed toes out. Inhale. Straight elbows. Move the chest forward. Shoulder down. Upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. So pointing the toes slightly in. 5 exhales to bring the belly nice and close to the thighs. And every time you exhale, you are trying to lift the sit bones up. So trying to use the side glute muscles to lift the sit bones up. Stay here for 5. Deep breaths out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out fully. Let's look forward. Bend both knees, stepping your feet forward. Inhale, chest up, Ardha Utthana. Arch low back, lift chest up. Exhale, forehead to knee, fold forward. Inhale, coming up, Urdhva Hasta, looking up. Exhale, hands by the side, Samasthiti. Third round, inhale. Exhale, straight spine, fold forward. Inhale, chest and head up, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, step back, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Feet separated, hip width apart. 5 deep breaths out here. This time try to straighten out your elbows completely. And as though the crown of the head wants to touch down. So take your time. You can adjust your feet and palms if required. Every time you exhale, visualize the crown of the head moving down towards the head. You stay here for 5. Eyes wide open. 4, 3, crown of the head down, straight elbows. 2, and 1. Exhale out fully. Let's look forward. Bend both knees, stepping both your feet forward. Inhale, chest up, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, forehead to knee. Inhale, coming up, Urdhva Hasta. Exhale, hands by the side, Samasthiti. Let's separate the feet slightly, palms facing forward, eyes closed for a few seconds. Moving awareness to breath. And slowly try to take few deep breaths in and out, keeping the eyes closed. Opening the eyes, let's get into Vrikshasana. We'll keep the feet together, shifting the body's weight towards the left foot, bending the right knee and bringing the foot all the way towards the hip. Hands on hip, pointing the right knee out completely. Let's place the right palm on top of the right knee, keeping the elbow bent. Fix the gaze down at one point. Inhale, left arm reaching up. Now choice to stay here as you're stretching the left side of the body. Only if you're comfortable, start leaning towards the right side without closing the chest. So open chest, you're leaning towards the right side. Gaze is important. We'll stay here for 5, 4, 3, open chest, 2, and 1. Hands on hip, coming up to stand. We move on towards the other side. Body straight towards the right foot. Bend the left knee, bringing it all the way up. A straight spine, chest is lifted. We'll release the left palm onto the knee. Inhale, right arm reaching up. Choice to stay here to find balance. Once you have found balance, start leaning towards the left side. So go with your exhales. Stay here for 5. Mindfully pointing the left knee out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands on hip, stepping the left foot down, eyes closed for a few seconds. Complete awareness with breathing. Next 3 breaths. See if you can inhale for 3 counts and exhale for 3 counts. You're inhaling 3, 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1. And last time. Inhale 3, tighten both thighs, lengthen spine. 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Opening the eyes. Let's do one more balancing posture. This time we'll bring the right knee close to the chest. So pointing the right toes out. Try your best to bring the right thigh as close to the tummy as possible. Now choice to stay here to find balance only if you are comfortable. First 3 fingers of the right hand holding on to the right big toe. Left hand on here. Inhale, lift chest up. Choice to stay here. If you feel like exploring, slowly start to stretch the right leg out. So start engaging your tummy more, keeping the upper body nice and active. We'll stay here for 5. If the knee is straight, work on bringing the right leg close to the upper body by bending the right elbow to the side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, right foot down, hands on hip, eyes closed. Awareness back to breathing. Going back to the count of 3, 2, 1 for inhales and exhales. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale out fully, opening the eyes. Let's bring the left knee close to the chest. So you're holding on to the knee. Press the right foot down and keep bringing the left knee close to the upper body. Now choice to stay here only if you feel like. First 3 fingers of the left hand holding on to the big toe. Nice and tight grip. Engage the belly to lift the rib cage up. Right hand on here. Once you have found balance here, then slowly work on stretching the leg out without moving the shoulders forward. So the left and right shoulder remains in the same place. Deep breaths out can help you stretch the leg out. Keeping chest lifted, we'll stay here for 5, 4, belly in, chest up, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, slowly release, hands on hip, eyes closed. Awareness back to breathing. Going back to the count of 3, 2, 1 for inhale and exhale. Take one more breath in. Exhale out fully. Eyes open. Let's separate the feet nice and wide. Warrior 2 stance. You turn the right foot out, bringing the right knee on top of ankle. Step 1. Take your time to walk the left leg back till you have space and pointing the left toe slightly in. Hands on hip will point the tailbone down. So as though you are trying to tilt the pelvis forward and then start sinking your hip lower to bring the right thigh almost parallel to the floor. Left leg is pressing down firmly. Inhale, stretching both arms out. Exhale, right palm down, left arm reaching up. Lean back with your chest, keeping the chest active. Now choice to look up. We'll stay here for 5. Active legs, belly in. 4. Keep moving the right knee out with your right upper arm. 3, 2. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, let's look down, hands on hip, coming up to standing. Move on towards the other side. right foot in, left foot out. So you're trying your best to press onto the outer edge of the right foot. Let's bring the left knee on top of ankle. Adjust your stance, so walk your feet away from each other till you are able to press both feet firmly. Pointing the tailbone down and sinking the hip lower. Once the thigh is almost parallel to the floor, let's point the left knee completely out. Inhale, stretch both arms out. Exhale, left palm down, right arm reaching up. So keep the belly in, you're leaning back with your chest. Active right hand, gaze up. We'll stay here for 5. Keep moving the left knee out. 4, 3, 2, engage the right leg completely, right and right thigh. And 1, inhale, take a breath in. Exhale, gaze down. Hands on hip, coming up to standing. Let's try and take a bind in the same stance. We'll point the right foot out, bringing the knee on top of ankle. Adjust your stance, the back leg is nice and strong. Let's bring the right shoulder inside the right knee. Taking the right hand around the right thigh. See if you can wrap the right hand around your thigh. So don't take the hand close to the groin, but it is around the thigh, wrapping the thigh around. Left hand on hip, let's open chest up. Now choice to stretch your left arm out, or you can wrap it around your body, grabbing hold of either your fingertips or the right hand holding on to your left wrist. Any grip that you have, let's lift the chest up, rolling the left shoulder up. We'll stay here for 5. Choice to look over your left shoulder. Keep rolling the left shoulder up. 4. Strong legs. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out fully. Hands on hip, coming up to standing. Eyes closed for a few seconds. Relax your legs for a second. And then opening your eyes. Let's move on to the other side. Turning the left foot out. So let me turn around so that you can explore the bind that's happening. Your left foot turns out, right foot in. You bring the left knee on top of ankle. The back leg is nice and strong. First step, left shoulder inside the left knee. Wrapping the left hand around the thigh. Open chest, choice to stretch the right arm up or taking it around your body, grabbing hold of your fingers. Any grip that you have, inhale, lift chest up and slowly start rolling the right shoulder out, looking over your right shoulder. Deep breaths out. 5. Keep opening the chest. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out fully, releasing both hands down. Let's step back to plank. So fingers are spread wide, you are gripping the mat. Tighten both thighs, feet separated, hip width apart. Gaze slightly ahead. Let's bend both elbows so that the upper arm starts working. We'll stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's bring the knees down, sitting back in Vajrasana. Palms on knees, straight spine, eyes closed. Going back to the count of 3 and 3 for our inhale and exhale. Let's open our eyes, bringing the hips down, stretching both the legs out. Let's bend the right knee and bringing the heel close to the ground, left leg stretched out. Janu Sirsasana. So we'll keep the left knee softly bent. First step, Just find out your sitting bones and you should be able to feel them as you are seated. If not, please feel free to take the glutes flesh off the way so that you can feel the bones. Inhale, lifting both arms up, lengthen spine. Exhale, let's bring the upper body nice and close to the left thigh and then holding on to the left foot from outside. So both hands holding on to the left foot. So tight grip, using that grip. Inhale, stretch spine up, chest is lifted. And next 5 exhales to stretch the left leg out. So you are trying to stretch the leg out. Imagine that the heel is wanting to move forward, but the hip is wanting to move back. Okay? Keeping the spine straight. Exhale, slowly start moving the left heel forward and the left side of the hip gently back. Keep tightening the left thigh. Elbows can point to this side. You are trying to deepen the stretch. Visualize the chin wanting to go beyond the left knee to touch down. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out fully. Inhale, lift chest up. Legs remain in the same place. Let's hold on to the outer edge of the left foot with our right hand. So if you are not able to do that with knee straight, feel free to keep the knee bent. So outer edge of the left foot, right hand holds on to it. Press both thighs down firmly. Inhale, lift chest up. Twist open towards the left side. Left arm reaching back. So keep pressing the hips down and twisting from your middle back for 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out fully. Back to center. Let's bend the left knee, keeping the left foot down. Now similar to the bind that we did in Warrior 2, we'll try and take a bind around the left thigh. So first step, let's hook the right shoulder outside the left knee. So as we are trying to bring the upper arm or the back of the shoulder outside the left knee or the thigh. Scooch the hand around the thigh, taking the hand around. Left hand wrap it around your body. See if you can hold on to your fingertips. Okay, if that's not happening, keeping the left fingertips down behind you. So wherever you are, draw the belly in, lift chest up. Press the right thigh down and slowly stretching the left leg out. Breathe. 5. Deepening your exhales. 4, 3. Roll the left shoulder up. 2. And 1. Release. We'll do the same sequence of postures on the other side. We'll bend the left knee, bringing the heel close to the hip. Right knee is bent, toes pointing out. Let's hold on to the right foot with both our hands. Feel your sit bones. Inhale, extend spine. Exhale, slowly work on straightening the left leg out. A similar practice where you're trying to move the heel forward but the hip back. Deep breaths out. Chin going beyond your right knee. Stay here for 5. Shoulders nice and away from the ears. And the ribcage is moving forward. 4. Keep moving the belly close to the right thigh. 3. 2. And 1. Exhale out fully. Inhale, chest up. Let's do the twist. So left hand holding on to the outer edge of the right foot. Feel free to keep the right knee bent if required. Inhale, lengthen spine, lift chest up. Exhale, right arm reaching back. Mindfully pressing the hips down and rolling the right shoulder up for 3. Deepen your exhales. 2. And 1. Exhale out fully, releasing the grip. Let's try the twist with the bind. So we'll keep the right foot in front of us. Hold on to the right thigh with your right palm. Inhale, left arm up, exhale. Hooking the elbow or the upper arm outside the right thigh. Then take your time to scooch the left hand around the thigh. Lift the center of the chest, right hand goes around, holding on to your fingertips, or you can try and hold on to your right wrist with your left hand. So you're in a twist here. Press the left thigh down. Exhale up. And slowly work on straightening the right leg up. Breathe. 5. Keep pointing the right toes up. Chest up. 4. Choice to look back. 3. 2. And 1. Exhale up. Coming out of the practice. Let's join the soles of the feet together and moving the soles of the feet nice and away from the hip. Inhale, lift both arms up. And exhale, just let go of your upper body, folding forward. Palms facing up, head down. Let's start relaxing our shoulders, belly, thighs, feet. Watching the natural flow of breath in and out. Slowly walking your hands back. We'll end today's practice with Kakasana. Coming down to a squat, Malasana. Let's bring the upper arm or ideally your shoulder close to the knee. So start pressing your knees nicely against your arms and the arm is pressing against the knee. It's a nice and tight grip. Fingers spread wide. Let's place our palms one big step ahead of us, gripping the mat. Gaze throughout the practice will remain ahead. So looking forward at one point. Let's come up to the tips of our big toes, keeping the elbows bent. Let's start shifting the body straight forward till the feet comes off on its own. So keeping the feet active, gaze forward. Once you feel a little light or about to find balance, try and lift one foot off. Lean forward a bit more and see if you can take the other foot off. You stay here for 5. Keep shifting the body straight forward. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to Malasana. Palms together, eyes closed. Relax your upper body. Toes are pointed up. We're going to press the feet firmly and keeping the knees nice and away from each other. Interlace fingers, inhale, lifting both arms up, stretching your spine out. So keep moving the knees up, lengthen spine for 5, 4, extend both your arms out, elbows straight. 3, lift chest up, 2, and 1. Exhale out. Let's bring the hips down, stretch both your legs out and slowly bring the upper body down. Feel your lower back on the mat, middle back and finally the upper back. Shoulders down, palms facing up, eyes closed, preparing for Shavasana. Toes pointing up, palms facing up. Let the fingers curl in naturally. Make any movements you feel like making now, so that for the next couple of minutes the body can observe stillness. Any discomfort in the lower back, keep the knees bent, feet on mat and drop the knees close to each other, settling down in Shavasana. Start letting go of your body and awareness to breathing. Inhaling for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Continuing the practice. Complete stillness in the body. Awareness with the count of 3. Breathing in and out. Shavasana. Awareness back to body and breath. Let the eyes remain closed. We'll start moving our toes, fingers gently. Moving our head from side to side. Feet together, toes pointed up. Interlace fingers. Stretch arms over your head, palms facing up. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Hold the breath in and give a good stretch to your body. Holding the breath in, stretch, 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 stretching your knees, ankles, shoulders, elbows, wrist, stretch, stretch, stretch. And release. Bend both knees, roll to any one side and keeping the eyes closed, coming up to seated. Simple cross leg, sitting up tall, palms in front of chest. Let's tuck the chin slightly towards the chest, extending our spine nicely. Rub palms together. Place them on eyes. Slowly blink open into your palms. Thank you for practicing with me today. Have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.